Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of XCOM The SHIV War. A few days have passed and I don't really remember what happened. But I'm so eager to play XCOM 2 and I have to wait for the stream tonight to happen. So I thought, hey, why don't we play some more XCOM The Long War for our YouTube viewers? That'll seal the deal. So, I remember the first thing that I want to do though. My dear Cookie, that is in fact the nickname the game gave to Annette, our Psy soldier, our only Psy soldier. Annette Cookie Durand, so our little Cookie, she's going to level up. She's going to level up on both fronts, normal abilities and her Psy rank went up. We have to put her in the Psy labs for that. So she gets on the corporal rank, she gets revive because that gives her additional willpower. That's all that matters. And well, revive is nice to have, right? There you go. That brings her willpower up to 84. That's by far and by a long shot the highest willpowered soldiers that we have. And what you say, that is exactly the requirement for our chosen one in the end. To have high willpower, to be a good Psy soldier. So, Annette. Level up, please. What? Why can't I put you in here? Oh, because you are fatigued? Is that it? No, I can't put these in as well. I'm confused. I guess it's because of the fatigue that I can't put you into the tank, which would suck majorly. Yeah, all these guys I can't put into the tanks. It seems all engineers are no, here. That is strange. Some are allowed, some aren't. Well, anyway, fatigue seems to be an factor that bars you from being put into the side labs. Okay. Then we will have to wait then. Also, I saw that I have no scouts currently neural damned. That's a shame. And I want to have... who's fatigued here? I want to have our best scout at least being neural damned. That would be great. So can we at least do that with Jabira Sadre? E-Lab. Oh, it's currently inherited by the maximum amount of soldiers. Fine. Also, I discovered, guys, I know where my Titan armors went. If you build Archangel armor, you're actually using up a Titan armor. So I'm currently in the process of transforming my Titan armors into Archangel armors. That's what happened. Though. Alrighty, so we are down to 1 buck, so we can't do really anything. So let's just month's time. Maybe we will build the skeleton key before something happens. Nope. There is a medium destroyer en route to our satellites over Asia. Well, for these occasions we have our trusty Firestorm. Let's see if you can handle this Firestorm.
Engaging bogey.
Engaging bogey. I need my dodge boosters
Approaching
here.
target now.
Yes! We shot him down. No more touching my satellites. I think with the Firestorm you have way longer battle times. Way longer. This is wonderful. Send the Sky Ranger. We have a new crash site. Sparse vegetation, it says. Okay, I think A1 is currently in the garage, so we have to bring B1. Welcome back, B1. I'm sure you will be an sufficient supplement. A2 and B2 are not around, so it's C2's moment in the spotlight. Then wait, A3 is around, right? There you go, A3. A4 is once more in the garage, so it's B4's time again. And A5 is also around, so there you go. Guys, you know the drill. After all, this is the Shiv War, so of course we bring our Shivs. Let's outfit CHA. You get a pulsar, you get a core armoring, you get a holo targeter, and you get the alloy plating, or is... what? I think the alloy plating is currently being repaired. I think that's what it is. Oh. Well... what do we do with CHA then? The THSs are for the others, right? So... maybe heat ammo? Or beam optics. What does it give? +1 damage. I'll keep the heat ammo for now. Okay. So that's for you. You also get a pulsar, a core armoring, a holo targeter, and a scope. There you go. CHS, you have been outfitted. CHS A3 is also outfitted already, so it's only B4. B4 takes the pulsar, core armoring, the... wait, no, this will be the heat and this will be the scope. Because we want you to be cheats. Instead of O heats. So, B4 cheats as well. Just like A4. Okay. And A5 is also outfitted. I'm a little bit... Does everybody here have a pulsar? Or is there someone with a laser outfitted? Super heavy pulsar. Super heavy pulsar. Super heavy pulsar. And what about you? Super heavy pulsar. Okay, good. Fine, I guess. So now that we have one with heat ammo, do we need two with heat ammo is the question. We could give you a scope. We have one scope left. There you go. Yeah, so you will be a CHS as well. Good. Now finally to the humans. We need once more an engineer. Right. I want to train Kali definitely, because Kali has 9 health on her, which is great. So loadout, Aegis armor, we have no Titan armor available right now. Pulse rifle, only 2? No Packmaster yet, so you will keep the smokes. Illuminator gun sight would be so great. But I also want to give you the cognitive enhancer so that you can get more XP. Yeah, get that cognitive enhancer. No arc thrower this time. Okay. So I want to keep my good guys for the incoming alien base mission, but that is like 10 days off still. I'm not sure. We will need a scout on this mission, definitely. So we will, as always, right? So we will bring a scout and maybe an infantry. So Annette is fatigued still, right? So we'll have to wait for her. So it doesn't make sense to bring a medic. Let's bring some damage, shall we? With Artyom. Yeah. Okay, so let's outfit the scout. That is always easy. Because all the slots are... Wait, where's the blaster? Right here. Blaster rifle. Oh, illuminator gun sight would be nice. If we could put that on someone. But no, we have to put in the marksman scope and the chameleon suit. There you go. Lightning reflexes, aggression. There's no hit and run here actually. It's a little bit unfortunate. It will be fine. And maybe we can put the illuminator gun sight on him. Oh yeah. Another pulse rifle, illuminator gun sight, and yeah, he is full damage here. He's a damaged build. So we could put a maybe enhanced beam optics on him. Although high cap smack is also it's useful. It's useful. Oh, the executioner is already on him, so the illuminator gun sight is a little superfluous, I have to say. But plus 12 critical, that'll come in handy. Okay, I put an optics on him so that he can make maximum damage. Yeah, do maximum damage. So I hope that works out fine. Let's launch the mission. After all, if this is a medium UFO, a destroyer that went after our satellites, I'm actually not sure about what the crew will be on such a UFO. Well, outsiders, of course.
The downed UFO is in a remote area outside a small town. If we can secure the crash site, we should be able to prevent any civilian casualties.
Also, I'm a little concerned that there are no medkits on this mission. But hey, I have my shifts, right? So, maximum animation speed, please.
We're just north of the crash site. Strike 1 is in position to engage.
Oh man, it's a little...
We'll monitor those readings.
I have to rethink things because XCOM 2, right? I'm playing that as on my stream. So it looks like the UFO's over here, telling from this. This could also be a fire of some sort. I don't know. I said maximum animation speed. Okay, so B1 move over here. Oh, look. The UFO's over there. Over there! Okay, we keep up with the rest. Ah, there's the animation speed, finally. You move over here, B4. You move over here, A5. And C2, you can move over there. Sweet. Now, humans. Give me the humans. Engineer. Kali. Best of all engineers. Move over here. Into the fortress. Infantry, you stay a little bit behind here, yes. And scout.
Moving to
Take the
designated
side cover.
position.
Cool. So everyone, Overwatch.
Overwatch. Aye, aye.
Next turn. Cool. B1. Ever onward. Move over here. Aha! My goodness. Oh, that's like what, 6 aliens? But it shows me 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, it doesn't show me the one closest to me. Interesting. Man, look at these health bars. Okay, who are you? You are a destroyer. Evasion, launch, bombard, heat ammo. Oh god! You are... Evasion, launch, bombard. Okay. Oh, you are also a bad guy. Destroyer again. Heat ammo. No! Thank you. Bombard and mayhem. No, we did check you before. Oh, this is a sentry. Danger zone. Covering fire, evasion, launch, bombard. I think they all have bombard. That's a little bit disconcerting. So question is, do we stay here? I don't think we can move out of sight. So that we can, you know, divide them. You know, divide and conquer. Although I have no line of sight down here. We have only 4 smokes. Yeah, let me check this guy since we couldn't see them. Zapper, oh my god. $73, $43, $28, and the others I can't even see. Okay. Is it possible that they are going to flank us? Totally possible if they move over here. I'll move over here. Okay. Chances are bad. Since nobody had lightning reflect. Well, I could bundle them up down here, right? And throw a smoke. But I've seen so many abilities that favor grenades. I don't know. 80% crit. I'm taking that 3 in 4 chance to crit for a very fat hit. Yes, it was not a crit, but that was nonetheless a good hit. I want to target these 2 that have 1 health more than the others because these are the destroyers, if I can. Infantry, you don't see anybody. You also don't see anybody. Yeah, I'm missing already that great tool of XCOM 2 where you can see what you will see, which enemies you can spawn on the tile you are about to move to. So I have to get a strategy here. Do I move in and shoot at the guys, or do I stay where I am and start an Overwatch party? So many grenades might be coming in. I have to at least kill. No, I have to at least kill these guys with what is it? 18 health. Yeah. Only 47% chance on this one. The same goes for this one. So we will take the one closest to us, like this one. Yeah. So do you have holo targeting? Who are you? You are A3. Yeah, you can shoot. Do it. We miss. Okay. So now we should have like a 50% chance on you. Yeah, 57. That's holy. That's like 6 in 10. Yes. A good hit. A good hit. Next. You are B4. I want you to shoot at the other one, the one in the back, because they have more health, right? So why don't we bring in C2 first? 57. And we need you to apply holo targeting to the one in the back. Yes, and we did hit actually. Nice. Now that's 8 and that's 7. Let's bring in V4. You have a 50-50 chance of hitting before. That's not too good, is it? Let's see, where can you go? You can actually hide here if you wanted to. But that's very close to incoming incoming grenades. I don't feel like I want to do this. This is high and this is half cover. Okay. Okay, Shiv, you move over here. 57, 57. Okay. Same chance. So I take the one with less. Ah, we missed. Well, that is unfortunate because now we need to kill 2 of them with only 1 Shiv. So can we bring in...
Affirmative.
Okay, we at least see some of them. Okay, 179. That's pretty good. Do it. Yes.
Hostiles passive.
Yeah, he had executioner. He was a total crit build, so that he did 8 damage was not that surprising. Okay, now A4, B4. Sorry. The moment of truth. Shoot at the other heat ammo guy at the back. Yes! So I think we effectively dealt with all the heat ammo wielding guys. That's something good. So the problem here is now they might flank Artyom. That's just a little bit over here and then Artyom is flanked. So there is a decision to make. Do I leave my shivs here and throw the smoke to the humans, or do I throw it to the shivs and leave Artyom out in the open, so to speak? Yeah, that was too close. But that means a lot of damage is coming into my shivs. A lot of damage, since there are still 5 floaters around. And some of them have like Bombard or Zapper or something like that, so... Man. Yeah, I can't allow for Artyom to be shot at by so many enemies. This guy can do it, this guy maybe. No, that's too dangerous. My shifts have to eat the damage, is what I'm saying. So I'm putting you here, Kali. I could also destroy this one and throw no smoke. I don't know. Let me check them real quick. They're the one with Zapper. Oh man. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get rid of this guy if I shoot at him. 90% is pretty good. But then we'll have no smoke out. No smoke at all. See him again, so they see this one and this one. Oh, they don't even see this one. Interesting. I think I can do it then. If it's only this guy and this guy who is seeing Artyom, I don't think the other 3 will go for the flank then. They will go here. Go after the shifts. Okay, yeah, let's do it then. Nice!
X-ray down.
That was a crit. Nice. So what are these guys doing? So half cover isn't the best of covers, I have to say. Yeah, the shifts are juicier though. I understand. I understand. What? There is more incoming? What type of pod was this? It's like the eighth floater in a row. Ouch. Please don't totally destroy them. Okay, 2 misses. That's cool. What are you doing? Ah, you deserve the misses, guys. Alright, 3 misses. I'll take that. Anytime. It's not even that bad. I'm just 4 health points into my squishy health. That's pretty good. Okay. So, effectively, I want B1 to be repaired by my engineer. That's the thing. But first, let's see. 28, 43. The others are too far away. Okay. Wait, that's D4. 8-3, that's right. So whom can we flank? We could move over here and flank this guy. He looks dangerous. So let's move in. No! Empty outsiders on top! Ah, you guys gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, 77, I'll take that chance. Yeah, a crit for 13, nice. This time around we have to throw a smoke. There's no way around it. Okay, engine, no wait, that's Artyom. Okay, Artyom, we could move over here, but then we are not going to see this one. We could move over here, but then we might get flanked by this one. I want to shoot at this guy with Artyom, but they will get bonus. Can you maybe do it? No. Not enough mobility. I mean, I could try from here, but I think this log is going to block my view, definitely. Huh. Yeah, this is a problem here, this guy. Yeah, my scout is definitely too far away. Okay, they are here, right? So I can move B4 here without giving cover to this guy, right? Yeah. Okay, B4, you are the one with the heat ammo. I want you to shoot at that guy. A crit for 13, nice. $69, and that is without holo targeting, right? There's no holo targeting on that guy. Okay, we'll think about it. So we have now 2 floaters with only 4 health left. I mean, I could maybe bring in B1 to finish this guy off, but without repairing, I don't know. They will concentrate their fire on you, B1, I'm pretty sure. But hey, reduce the amount of guns, I'll say. 87%, good enough for me. There you go. I wish I could go somewhere with my scout, somewhere useful. that's not the case. At least not yet. So move over here. 28, 43, 43, and nothing. Huh. Okay. These other two are going to take care of this one then, I guess. And then Artyom can take care of the last, maybe? Then we would have killed 3 floaters. That would be okay. Oh wait, what? 38, 43. Artyom. Kali's also around. She could throw a smoke and shoot. 49 and 44. Yeah, we can easily hit them here with the smoke. Yeah, I want to do that. Throw the smoke, Kali.
Smoke's in the air.
Okay. Now we have a 50% chance of getting rid of this one guy. Do it. Yes, Kali. You are the
Out
best.
of the game.
Cool. So, what is A5 going to do? Yeah, well, we need to get rid of this one thing here, right? Artyom, can you do it? 74% chance, that's really good. You could move over here and flank them even. That's way better. Do it.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, Artyom. Get that guaranteed crit. That's so great.
Out of the game.
Crit for 16. Talk about overkill. Alright. So let's decide what to do with A5. A5, you move into that cloud and before we know it. Okay, we will move into that cloud with A5 and go on Overwatch, I guess. Although the outsiders, most of them will have lightning strike and that will spoil our Overwatch, I feel. So this guy looks important. Covering fire, evasion, launch and bombard. Okay, I'll take that 50-50 chance here. Okay, we missed. It's fine. Alright, and before we end this turn, I will end this video. So thanks for watching this episode and I will see you in the next one. Bye!